I come your way once again with Pasco Made Easy with Senana as we delve into core mathematics, solving questions on real number systems. If you are learning a topic of real number system, this is the right video for you. Ensure that you are glued in as you subscribe to my YouTube channel, like this video, and share this video, and especially click on the notification bell so that you can get all videos on time. So let's look at the question for this video. It says that given that S operation Y is equal to 2x minus y, where x and y are real numbers, find the value of 4 operation 2 operation 3, and then I find the value of y if y operation 3 operation y is equal to 6. So let's consider how we can solve a question on this. So basically for this question, it is basically a question that considers real number systems, basically binary operation. And in this question on binary operation, you realize that you have been given an operation x operation y, and x operation y is equal to 2x minus y. Basically, this is on binary operation, and mostly for core mathematics, students do not really learn it. So you can pay attention to this question, and it will help you when there's a question like this anywhere, you'll be able to solve it, right? So the question says that x and y is a member of all the real number system. We are supposed to find 4 operation 2 operation 3. So basically we'll deal with the brackets first. So bracket first. So we want to consider 2 operation 3, right? So 2 operation 3 implies that wherever we see our x, we'll put our 2 there, and then wherever we see our y, we'll put our 3 there in the operation right here. So it means that we'll have 2 multiplied by 2 minus 3. So our 2 operation 3 becomes equal to 4 minus 3, and that is equal to 1. So now we are going to have our 4, and then operation, the value for 2 operation 3, which is 1. So we put 1 there. So now we want to consider wherever we have our x, we'll replace it with our 4. And then wherever we have our y, we'll replace it with our 1 in the operation here. So that implies that we have 2 multiplied by 4 minus 1. So our 4 operation 2 operation 3 will be equal to 8 minus 1. So 4 operation 2 operation 3 will be equal to 7. Right, and then we want to look at the second part of the question, which is the II. And in the II, we are told that if y operation 3 operation y is equal to 6, then we should find the value of y. So we go through the same process. Let's look at the brackets first. So the bracket is 3 operation y, right? So the bracket is 3 operation y. So we are dealing with the operation x operation y is equal to 2x minus y. So this implies that wherever we see our 3, we will put our x there, or we will substitute our x for 3. And wherever we see our y, we will maintain the y there in the operation here. So it means that our s operation y will be equal to 2 multiplied by 3 minus y. So it means we have our 3 operation y, right, to be equal to 6 minus y, right? So this is 3. So now that we have 6 minus y, we can replace it with the part of 3 operation y in the y operation 3 operation y. So now we have y operation 6 minus y, right? And all this is equal to 6. So let's look at the left hand side, y operation 6 minus y. So it means that putting it into s operation y, we have y operation 6 minus y to be equal to 2 multiplied by y minus 6 minus y, right? And then we know that 2y, this gives us 2y minus 6, minus will give us plus y. and all this is equal to 6 here. So now we have 2y plus y is equal to 6 plus 6. So that gives us 3y is equal to 12. So we can divide both sides by the coefficients of the y, which is 3. We divide this side by the coefficient of the y, which is 3. So that implies that our y is equal to 4. Right, so with binary operation, all we do is to input in some values and then we get an output or a value that will also belong to the same set. So we have solved the question on binary operation. Remember to like this video, share this video, and subscribe to my YouTube channel so that we can get all videos on time. And don't forget that we'll be looking at another question on real number system in our next video.